What's going on, YouTube? It is a cold winter day today, so we've got some stuff going on at the shop, trying to get this car ready for 2026. I hope everybody had a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. But it's time to get to work. Not sure if anybody caught the short that we shared not too long ago, but backstory for this car: it is the same car as last year, but we had some tin work done over at Hedgecock Racing, and then sent it over to Powder Coater. That is actually in the Charlotte area. In fact, I think it's Statesville. But when I get the name of it, I will update this. But they done a heck of a job when it comes to powder coating this car, and we didn't know, but they actually service a lot of your Longhorn chassis on the dirt side of racing. So thought that was pretty cool. But they do roughly like 20% of their work is race cars and things of that nature. But I know Hedgecock sends basically all their stuff over there, and like I said, Longhorn, and I think a couple others when it comes to racing and stuff like that. So appreciate them. We're going to go inside today and work on getting some mechanical stuff done. We got all our electrical pretty much run. Seat mounted Sunday. That pretty much took all of our time. Changed seats for this coming year. We've had it, but we chose to keep the old one in there just so we wouldn't have to fool with it with the body being on it. So got some stuff going on today, working on truck arms, putting the rear end back under it. Obviously trying to mount as much as we can when it comes to shocks and things like that for the rear. And then hopefully start on the front end of the car here soon. Y'all stay tuned.